Hey everybody, what's going on today? We're hearing a lot of stuff about Bitcoin, so I figured I'd cover some of this. This is a page on New York Times saying the headline saying regulators see value in Bitcoin and investors hasten to agree. So there's some opposition to Bitcoin, but people see value in it because it is a digital currency at the moment. Let's read some of this here. The virtual currency Bitcoin took a big step toward the mainstream on Monday as federal authorities signaled their willingness to accept it as a legitimate payment alternative. A number of federal officials told the Senate hearing that such financial networks offered real benefits for the financial system, even as they acknowledged that new forms of digital money had provided avenues for money laundering and illegal activity. So I'm going to put the link to this article if you guys want to read it. But there's a couple other things I want to go over. Here is a little currency converter on bitcoincharts.com where you can enter one Bitcoin here and then you can change it to any currency that you want to change it to. Let's do the US dollar. Right now it's accepting $641.87. Let's try euro. Here's euro. It's accepting 505 euros. Let's try Japanese yen. It's accepting 73,559 Japanese yen. So that's pretty good for anybody who has Japanese yen. You get a lot for one Bitcoin. That's pretty cool. So, um, I still don't know how you buy and sell Bitcoin, but obviously a lot of people are using it. I don't know how secure your coins are once you do buy it. I'm sure there's a risk in your Bitcoins getting hacked, but it seems like it's here to stay for the time being. Now, along with Bitcoin, Bitcoin's the leader in this digital currency. There are other forms of coins, digital coins, and a friend of mine who used to work for Nomura Securities mentioned about all these other ones called LiteCoin. Um, LiteCoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant payments to anyone in the world. So the concept is pretty much the same. And I'm going to show you another one. Here's another one called PeerCoin. PeerCoin Inc. on this page. It's peercoin.com. There's, a couple of different alternative digital currencies out there. And since Bitcoin has really ramped up, perhaps some of these other digital currencies are also going up. I didn't check the price for these yet. It's really hard to find the information on this. So let me take a look. Alright, so I found a site called LiteCoin exchangerate.org. One Litecoin is $7.56 at the moment. Okay. Now, for those of you who own Bitcoin, since the price really ramped up here, I think it would be wise for those who have Bitcoin to sell out of it into cash, or I have this site here called Agora Commodities. They accept Bitcoins for silver and gold. So I will put the link to this site here. It just makes sense to put some of your Bitcoins off the table into hard assets or into cash because it did really run up high within like the last 2 days. So yeah, that's all I have for today. I will keep an eye out on Bitcoin and a couple of the other digital currency coinage out there. So thanks for watching, and we'll keep in touch.